Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You can call me Jisfy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn HTML in just 5 minutes. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm also still learning web development. So let's learn together. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to structure content on the web. It tells the browser which part is a heading, a paragraph, an image, or a link. HTML is not a programming language. It's a markup language used to organize content. To start writing HTML, we only need a text editor. In this video, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any editor you're comfortable with. First, create a folder, then drag folder to VS Code, and then create a file called index.html. To preview your website, you can right-click the HTML file in VS Code and choose Open with Live Server. Installing the Live Server extension is optional, but it makes previewing your website much easier. Every HTML file starts with a basic structure like this. The doc type tells the browser that we are using HTML5. Inside the HTML tag, we have the head and the body. The head contains information about the page, and the body contains everything we see on the screen. HTML is written using elements. HTML elements typically consist of 3 parts: an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. When these 3 parts are combined, we call them HTML elements. For example, this paragraph has an opening tag, text as content, and a closing tag. However, not all elements have a closing tag. Some elements don't wrap any content, so they only use a single tag. Examples are BR for line breaks, HR for horizontal lines, and image for images. These are still HTML elements, even though they don't have a closing tag. Some of the most common HTML tags are headings and paragraphs. HTML has heading levels from H1 to H6. H1 is usually used for the main title of the page, H2 for sections, and H3 to H6 for smaller subsections. Some HTML elements use attributes. Attributes provide extra information about an element. Links use the href attribute to define where the link goes. Images use the src attribute for the image file, and the alt attribute for accessibility. Now let's create a simple mini project, a basic profile page. The structure will look like this. I'll go back to the index.html I created earlier and start building it. I've prepared a photo aligned with the index.html. I'll use letter. First, I'll create the HTML structure. Inside the head is the title, which will appear as the title on our website, and inside the body is the content that will appear on screen. Here I use H1 for the title, paragraphs for text, HR to separate sections, PR for spacing, and an image with a link. You might notice that the image looks too big. For now, we can control the image size by using the height or weight attribute. This is totally fine for a simple HTML example. In real projects, CSS is usually used to control the style and layout of a website. So today we learned what HTML is, how to write HTML, what an HTML element is, common tags, and how to create a simple page. Don't try to memorize everything, guys. Practice is more important. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.